In the world of fashion design, there exists a subtle yet profound distinction between good and great. It's a distinction that often lies in the attention to details. As a designer, cultivating the skill is not just a choice, but a necessity. It's about understanding that every stitch, every fabric choice, every embellishment holds the potential to elevate a design from mundane to magnificent. From my invaluable experience of working with icons like Ralph Lauren, we uncover the essence of this principle. Pay attention to details. It's in the meticulous craftsmanship, the uncompromising dedication to quality, that the brand has cemented its legacy of excellence. How do we achieve this? By immersing ourselves in the art of attention to details. Greatness in fashion design is not a destination, but a continuous pursuit. It's in the relentless commitment to perfecting our craft that we truly distinguish ourselves. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.